Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best punching bag stands available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 7 we have TechTools Punching Bag Stand. Our full punching bag set is super easy to set up and includes everything you need for a boxing session. The solid Wevivo foam punching ball comes with a durable base spring-loaded adjustable shaft. It is designed for optimal and safe use. This freestanding kickboxing bag features a strong durable spring at the base of the shaft. This allows the spring-mounted punching bag to bounce back into position every time after every hit. The height of the punching ball stand is adjustable from 49 inches to 63 inches to suit personal preferences. You can easily adjustable to fit everyone's needs. This punching ball is perfect for teens 14 and up. It will help raise your heart rate for a great workout, while helping you develop timing speed and accuracy of hand and eye coordination. At number 6 we have Aqua Punching Bag Stand. This strong and thick spring effective rebound up to 90 degrees. It is great for training your reaction accuracy and agility. The bottom hitting body can not only exercise the leg muscles lose weight, but also improve your coordination and reaction speed. This reflex bag with stand features one inflatable speed ball, which is made of PU leather, wear resistant and anti-aging, durable to use, comfortable to your hands. The rapid response design helps you increase your punch velocity and muscle elasticity. The base is durable, it can be filled with sand and water. It comes with extra strong 12 suction cups to prevent scratching of floors to help fix it in one place, without shaking, and suitable for any smooth surface. At number 5 we have Outslayer Punching Bag Stand. This Outslayer Muay Thai heavy bag stand comes with 15-year warranty. It has height 7 feet 8 inches tall. It holds punching bags that weigh up to 350 pounds. It is perfect for 6 feet Muay Thai heavy bags, easy 7-screw assembly, and comes with 4 unfilled sandbags to weigh the stand down. The legs are about 4 feet away from each. Each leg is about 30 inches long and they can extend an additional apex 12-15. This stand is perfect for home use because it is space sufficient and the base is triangular. Therefore it can be placed in a corner, which then the legs would go next to the sides of the walls, and the bag is being pushed out towards you about 3 feet away from the pole of the stand. Number 4 we have Aqua Punching Bag Stand. Most punching bag stands out there are made for 100 pounds or less. The Aqua Punching Bag Stand stays strong and sturdy even with our heaviest bag clocking in at 190 pounds. Its wide stance allows you to work the bag from left to right, and its design gives the bag plenty of room to swing back and forth. This sturdy stand is so easy to assemble. You'll likely be finished before even taking a look at the directions. This stand fits in rooms with ceilings as low as 8 feet high. The Aqua Training Bag A-Frame Home Stand is one of the most unique stands to date. The 4x4 footprint provides a stable base with a space for your mobile device to follow along workouts and view your Aqua Training Bag sensor data. At number 3 we have Wevivo Home Punching Bag Stand. This Wevivo Home folding boxing bag stand is made of thickened steel frame with powder coating on the surface, which is durable and steady enough to bear a weight of 132 pounds. The high-quality material will bring a brilliant user experience, and just start your training journey at home right away. The triangular base of the steel sandbag rack further enhances its stability and durability. The foldable design makes storage simple enough and saves space for you. This boxing bag stand can be folded easily and fit into the narrow place in your room, which is not only portable but also convenient to store. At number 2 we have shin Punching Bag Stand. The height of the punching ball stand is adjustable from 53 inches to 60 inches to suit personal preferences. This lightweight comes with the height adjustable design, brings more fun to your training. This punching ball is perfect for teens 14 and up, youth, adults, men and women. The boxing bag come with a highly durable stand and a heavy-duty base held securely in place by filling it with water. This allows the spring-mounted punching bag to bounce back into position every time after every hit. This punch bag design allows for easy movement around target, increasing cardio, leg conditioning, and hand-eye coordination. At number 1 we have Upgrade with Punching Bag Stand. The punching bag stand for adults is made of quality PVC material, non-toxic, lightweight and durable, which do not harm the human body during their activity, as the punching bag requires a lot of contact with the human skin. Upgrade with has thoroughly designed the boxing bag so that it does not hurt the human in any way. All adults can enjoy this punching dummy. This makes the punching bag more stable and strong. It is crucial that the boxing bag stand stays heavy, so that it stays vertical even after a lot of strength has been put into it. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best punching bag stands for your need.